A neighborhood on Mulberry Street was a little shaken up earlier today when an Abilene police officer was forced to shoot an aggressive pit bull.
Witnesses said the dog was trying to attack people that were walking in the area. KTexas reporter Cassandra Garcia spent some time in the neighborhood today and spoke to those who saw the events unfold. Cassandra?
Well, Wayne, a neighbor told us the pit bull's name was Bo and had never seemed violent before today. This is the home on Mulberry Street where Abilene police say a pit bull escaped from his fenced yard. Before noon today, neighbors in the area began calling Abilene Animal Control to report the dog's dangerous behavior.
My wife and kids were getting out of the car, and as soon as we stepped into our yard, the dog charged us.
Came back outside to see what he was barking at. And he came around the corner growling and snarling and barking at me.
When an officer arrived, the dog charged. Fearing for his safety, the officer shot and hit the dog a total of 3 times, eventually killing it. No one was bitten. Jessica Macy lives next door and says she understands why the pit bull had to be killed.
He had no choice. The dog charged him and he shot him once, and the dog backed up and then charged him again.
A little further down the block, Steve Lewis says he also heard the gunshots.
It is very unfortunate, but in this situation, with the way the dog was charging and reacting to everybody, it had to be done. It definitely did, because somebody was going to get hurt seriously.
Lewis owns 2 pit bulls and says he hopes this incident doesn't shed bad light on the breed.
I mean, the only way they do that is if they're mistreated. It's all in how you raise the dog.
Yeah, if you don't have the patience to deal with them, to discipline them the way they need to be, and to play with them, you don't need to have them.
Abilene police were having trouble getting in touch with the dog's owner. Animal Control is trying to verify if the dog had current vaccinations before they decide whether or not to run a rabies test.
Thank you. And according to the information from the Centers for Disease Control and the Humane Society, the top 5 most dangerous dog breeds are pit bulls, Rottweilers, German Shepherds, Huskies, and Alaskan Malamutes, in that order. Training, socialization, and proper care also play a role in how aggressive a dog becomes.